Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a new game changer and exciting feature that we can find on ChatGPT and that allows us to analyze the Amazon PPC data and give us suggestion what we can improve. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get access to this new feature, how to download a file from the Amazon Advertising Console and how you can upload this file on ChatGPT. And finally, we will see 5 different prompts that we can ask to ChatGPT to give us deep analysis on our Amazon advertising campaigns. So let's get started since I'm very excited. Okay, the first thing we need to do, we need to have a ChatGPT Plus account. So you need to invest $20 per month to get access to this feature. I can show you what you can do, and I hope that after you have seen what you can do, you will see that $20 per month, it's a very fair investment. So after you have done that, you need to go under Stefano, under your profile name on the bottom left. If you don't see it, you need to click on the sidebar here. You click on your profile, under settings, under beta features, and here you need to enable code interpreter. You will see that this is disabled and you need to enable it. So as you can read here, try asking for help with data analysis, images conversion, or editing a code file. So this feature allows us to upload a file on ChatGPT, something that we were not able to do that before. And we can ask some question on what we can improve on that file, or to give us an analysis of the file. So as you can see here, so after you will see under this tab, that there is this new feature, code interpreter. So you need to select this. If you don't select, you will see that you are under default. So you need to go here, code interpreter, and now you will see that there is a feature that you can upload file. So now you can upload file from your local computer. This is how you can get access to this feature. So now that we have access to this feature, let's see how you can download a file from the advertising console and how you can upload it. For this case, we will use the sponsored product advertising report file. So you need to go under your campaigns advertising console, under measurement and reporting, under sponsored ads report, you click here and you will land in this page. After that, you need to click create a report and you will land in this page. And we will select these settings, so sponsored product, report type, search terms, time units, summary, and here we will select the last 30 days. After you've done that, you need to click run report. And you will see that you will have this report to download. I already downloaded, I don't want you to waste time, and I will update now the report. So I will go here under upload file, and I will update the file that I downloaded from the Amazon Advertising Console. So, and now I will ask ChatGPT to analyze this file and to do a very simple analysis that I prepare here. Because one problem that we have with ChatGPT 4 that we have a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. So you need to be careful on the question that you ask. Since I don't want to do this video again in 3 hours, as you can imagine. So the first thing that I'm going to ask is to analyze this Amazon advertising report. So I will copy and paste what I did in the Google Docs. And so I will ask, first of all, analyze this Amazon advertising report. I want ChatGPT to analyze first, so ChatGPT will have a clear understanding of the report, because if not, if I ask a question after, it will say, I need to analyze the report first, so I want ChatGPT to analyze it first. After, show me in a table the customer search term report, customer search terms that got more than 30 clicks, spent more than $25 with no indices. So it's a simple analysis that you do when you analyze this report. So let's see if ChatGPT can do that. Okay, it's loading. And here we can also see the work. So we can see which kind of function is using in Python to do that. Okay, now it's saying the dataset is an Amazon sponsored product search term report and contains the following columns. And here list all the columns in our search term report. Perfect. Next, let's filter this dataset according to your requirements. More than 30 clicks, spend more than $25, no indices. Amazing. And now it's showing me in a table what I asked. So here we are. And we can see all the search terms that got more than 30 clicks, spend more than $25 with no audits. So as you can see, like we have only 2, 4, 6, 7 search term report. And I went to our search term report, I checked the same and it's correct. So I checked the same filters and I see that it's correct. So as you can see, like this is amazing. I didn't enter the Excel file, I didn't create any filter. I just asked a question through a chat, which is incredible. So let's go and check something else, which is more interesting. The distribution between customer search term with 0, 1, 2, 3, or 5 orders. So showing a table, the ad spend, audits, equals, spend percentage of total spend, and sales percentage of total sales distribution for all customer search term with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus orders. Show me this in a table where you put as rows, orders, and as columns all the labels above. So this is a more advanced analysis, and this is something that we do for our clients when we enter an account. And the idea is to see how much we are spending for the customer search term that got a 0 order, how much we are spending for customer search term that got only 1 order, and so on, like 2, 3, 4, 5 plus orders. So let's see if ChatGPT can do that. Okay, here is the summary table showing the distribution for different level of orders. So as you can see, orders equal to 0, we spent 14,000, almost 15,000. Percentage of total spend, almost 20%. Audit says obviously 0. And if I check orders with 1, I see that we spent 7% and got 14% of total audit sales. And if I check orders with more than 5, I see 61%. And is getting 67% of total audit sales. So by looking at this table, so without doing different pivot tables, without doing different analysis, I just ask a simple question to ChatGPT and I see the performance for my campaigns for our customer search term report. I can see that we are spending, most of our spend is going to search term with more than 5 orders, which is amazing, which is what we want. But maybe we should push more because as you can see, we spent only 61, but we get 67% of total sales. So I know that this is something we can improve. This is insane. This is impressive to see. So let's see another one. So what I ask is show me the performance for each match type in a table where I see ad spend, ad sales, ad spend percentage of total ad spend, ad sales percentage of total ad sales, and ACOS. And here I can add as many variables as I want. So for example, if I want to add the conversion rate, I just add conversion rate, or if I want to add click-through rate or impression and so on. So here you can see the performance by table. So I can see that the exact match is spending 12% in this case, and is getting 12% of total sales. In this account, we are spending a lot with product targeting, and product targeting, they have as a match type the line, like the automatic campaign. So this is mixed, but this gives me a good idea that we are not spending a lot in a broad match, which is good for this account. And I can see that we're spending quite a lot on phrase match and is working quite well, since we spent 20% of total ad spend and the total ad sales were 20%. So this is exactly what I want, what we want to see. The last prompt that I want to share it with you is a more advanced prompt that can give you like a graph on your performance by doing an n-gram analysis. An n-gram analysis, I will share with you what is that, but let's ask the question first so you can see the results, and after it's easier for me to explain. So do a bag of n grams for all the customer search term with no sales and show me a picture. So what I'm asking here is to do an n-gram analysis, so an analysis for each word in our customer search term report, and see which words are getting clicks but are not getting any sales. So let's see the results. Okay, amazing. So here are the top 22 grams in customer search term with no sales. So here you can see the search terms that got clicks but didn't get any sales. So I can see, do these search terms make sense for our customer, for our products? So for example, if I see that here this search term doesn't make any sense, I can add that as negative exact or negative phrase. So this is very cool because I can do very advanced analysis on what we can improve on the Amazon advertising campaigns. So to explain it better, so let's say that we have a word that is not performing, like for example, we are selling red shoes and we have a lot of customer search term with blue shoes. We can see that here blue shoes will appear because blue shoes is not performing, and we'll count how many times it appears. In this case, more than 3,000 times, these two keywords. So this is a more advanced analysis that we do for our clients and to see how we can improve our wasted ad spend. But you can start with a simple prompt, and you can find this prompt in our community. So if you want to get access to this prompt, you just need to enter our community. It's totally free. And this will allow you to to have a clear understanding of your Amazon PPC campaigns. And you can ask like 25 questions every 3 hours. So it's very cool. So I hope this video was a bit useful. It's an amazing feature. It's incredible to see. The only cap is the number of messages we can send to the dataset, and also that we need to upload every time the report. And if you want to do more advanced analysis, you can add other reports to ChatGPT, and you can do analysis on your bulk files, on your other reports like top of search, impression share, and so on. So I hope this video was useful. Feel free to play with this tool, and see you in the next video.